Okay, so we got 2010 VW Jetta. The key doesn't turn in the ignition. Put it in, it won't turn. So we're gonna take apart it's really hot. We're gonna take apart the ignition. We got 2 screws, 2 bolts on top. We got this module that communicate with ignition and the airbag. So we're gonna have to take it out separately. We are disconnecting the battery, so because we are dealing with airbag, always disconnect the battery. So we're gonna take it apart and replace the ignition. Okay, so the module is out. You got a little clip right here. It needs to be pushed in, and then this comes down. And there's another clip right here. So it pushed in and it will come out. Then there is this harness over here. Careful, because this could get detached. The wires in the back. Needs to come out carefully. And then we can go ahead and start removing the ignition. We're going to remove the actual cylinder first, and then the ignition. Okay, so the customer, let's see, the ignition does not move, and it's not in the position to get it out through that little hole. So I guess we're going to have to drill right there. Mark it real quick. Right there. And press on the, you want to say sidebar, and get it unlocked. Get this ignition cylinder out and replaced. Alright, so usually you drill right here. Customer played with the ignition and turned it around. We had to drill right right here. Disable the ignition. Cylinder was able to turn freely, and then we were able to put in the pin right where the dot, you see that little dot right there? We're able to put it in and get the cylinder out. And now we have the cylinder, and we can finish the work. Alright, we have a new ignition. Cylinder is in. In and turning. Okay, so we're going to put all the pieces back, get the ignition all set up, and we'll go from there. All right, the work is done. Car starts, everything looks good. We got a little steering light on, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn to the left all the way, turn to the right all the way, and the light is gone. All set, done. 2010 Volkswagen Jetta.